What we do here is go back.
Hello Triple crew, it's ibyl, and today I'm coming to share with you all a simple daily style, episode number 5. So this is the finished look, little bang with I call it the tie. I did it 3 times, and then I have my hair tie in the back and the rest hanging down. Kind of has like a little layered look because of how I tied the hair. So I'm going to show you all how I created this style. Really simple. You can do it in 6 minutes or less. This part was inspired by a celebrity named Shanola Hamilton. I'm not sure like what is her like celebrity status in terms of like what is she known for, like acting, or whether it's something else. I think it's acting, but I was looking up lock styles and I came across her pictures. I know she's a celebrity and she does all these different lock looks, and I figure I'm gonna wear a ponytail. I might as well like jazz it up. So that's what inspired me recreating her like bang and then adding the other parts. So stay tuned to find out how I created this style. All right, to achieve this style, all you're gonna need is 1 hairpin, and that's optional. All right, so I love my left side part. You can put your part on whatever side you want it. First step is to section off the front part of your hair. You can keep your sides here, just kind of like the front, almost middle. All right, so this hair, you're going to take it and you're going to
It's at this point during my editing that I'm realizing during my tutorial I did not recreate the same style that I started with. I brought the hair back like you see in the video, but I was supposed to bring it forward like you're going to see me do right here. But I'm still going to upload this video with it going back because that still creates a nice look as well. But you can go either way for a different, slightly different look.
And to secure this, I'm going to do so kind of close to the sides. Take the hair and tie it. If your hair is shorter, you can definitely basket weave it instead of doing the tie. Like if your hair is not able to cross over completely. Then I take another section closer to my edges and bring that across too. Again. All right, I'm going to do it a 3rd time. I'm going to do one more tie. This is the 3rd one. Her hairpin I'm going to use to secure the top part closer to my head. And that is the finished look. If you want to put a hair tie to put some of your hair up and having some down in the back, you can. We're gonna keep it fly, keep it phallus, and I will see your beautiful faces in the next video. Peace. Leave me comments below. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, share the video across all social media. Peace. Hey, it's your girl crew. Stepping on here really quickly to give a shout out to Tosha Ray and Heather G. Out of the 5 questions I asked on my watch day chat trivia, these ladies got 4 out of 5. So shout out to them. Show them some love in the comments. Once again, shout out to Tosha Ray and Heather G. Thank you to everybody who commented with their guesses for the trivia and everyone who participated. Greatly appreciate it. But it won't be revealed until the next video. So, one thing I do before washing my locks is I go through and check for any lengths. Check for any length that's at the bottom of my lock or somewhere in the length of my lock to try to catch it before it's there to stay. I try to do this daily, but I do one check right before I wash. And another thing I do right before I wash is I put my hair in sections so that it's easier to wash. I put in sections. One of my other questions was, what do I typically use to dry my hair? T-shirt or towel? If you said t-shirt, you were correct. It absorbs so much better and quicker. How long does it typically take me? Oh, I just realized I have a 2-headed one. I didn't know that. That's why it's so thick. I think my loctician combined it because I was probably going to lose it. But look how long, look how long it's been. I never knew this was right here. I'm off track. I mean, I'm off. You see that gray? I'm off. Yeah. I didn't know I had any 2-headed dragons. Look at the Y. Look at the Y. MCA. YMCA. Oh, I'm sorry. Got distracted. But I didn't know that was there. Like, that is so crazy. Alright, back to, how long does it take me to wash my hair? If you said 45 minutes to an hour, more so, that's about it. 45 minutes to an hour. So if you said 45 minutes to an hour, anywhere in between there, you got it right. I got another curl. Last of a braid. The other question, how long has it been since I last washed my hair? You all, if you've been watching my channel, you know this is a struggle for me, and I said I'm gonna do better. So it's been, sometimes I go way longer than it. Sometimes I go 4 weeks. It's bad, y'all. But in my defense, I don't really work out regularly, so I'm not like sweating a lot in my head. But anyway, the other question, so how long has it been since my last wash? How do I dry it right after washing? How long does it take to wash? What do I do before washing?
I think that's it. So I want to go ahead and film my answers. So at a later time, this will be inserted in the next video. Alrighty, I'm gonna continue checking my lock for any debris. And then I'm gonna get ready to wash.
What we do here is go back.